I got the notification that my laptop is eligible for Windows 11 upgrade, and throughout the settings, it took around only 1.5 hours to download and install the Windows 11. So as you can see, the static design that they promised, it's here. Let's look for the main thing when we are attracted to, and that is our window. They shifted the whole key command to over in the center field, and they also removed Cortana. Somewhere it is best. So let's it's our first impression of Windows 11 in India especially. So I was really quite excited about this. I didn't get the chance because many devices not compatible with this kind of things. So let's see. सो अभी तो ये साइन इन के लिए माइक्रोसॉफ्ट की आईडी मांग रहा है. बाकी देखो, ओपन फाइल एक्सप्लोरर के लिए इसने क्या क्या डिज़ाइंस दिए हैं. इसने जो एस्थेटिक डिज़ाइन में सबसे बड़ा करा है, इसने कॉर्नर कट्स को ख़त्म कर दिया है और उसको कर्व में कर दिया है, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं. लाइक यू कैन सी, they have completely removed the corner type folders and turn into the curve kind of folders, uh, like so. Again, it's asking for email id. I'll let you know the what kind of design it shows when it we signed through Microsoft email ID. So here is its Microsoft Explore, Microsoft Store, and some of the recommended apps they have told to install it. We will look into that. Meanwhile, let's see. Yes, as you can see, they are telling me they have shifted their search and index, so I can search any kind of things over here, even can translate and mark it today. Many things are there. Now see, let's stay focus option, priority alarm, focus assist. So focus assist, what do we have here? So yeah, priority only, alarm only, off. We can off it, turn it off. And let's see what's the other thing we can get in that. So in previous Windows 10, Internet Explorer was still an option, so they have completely removed it and made it Microsoft Edge its default browser, which is good in some sense because as far as time we have seen that Microsoft has Edge is very fast in comparative of Microsoft Mozilla, Firefox, Mozilla, and Google Chrome. So let's see what's it bring in Google Chrome. And the main feature, you can see that it has a multi-screen option also, in which that we can do the multi-screen tasks in single screen also. It's taking a time to load, I don't know why. So let's see. Might be typing. Yeah, it's there. So basically we have the Bing Microsoft Edge as a desktop internet browser. Next thing we got, keep things close by with widgets. So we get the widgets option also. Windows plus W, we get the window widgets. So it will be only available when you sign in the option, sign in when your Microsoft ID or any ID. Next thing, so I think that's over for from Microsoft tutorials. Let's explore ourselves. So what we are looking over here is that the aesthetic design of there. Yeah, as you can see, they have completely removed the corner things and make it a curve like things. So basically we have many things over here, and first, where should we explore first? Let's go to the file explorer. So there we have it, Microsoft, Windows 11 first impression of file explorer. So that's how it shows. The static design of the folder they have previously has very dull, and you can say dull, but it was a simplistic. But now it's colorful. So as far as new generation, it's need more colors. They need to be more unique. So they have given each folder their unique design and unique colors. So I wouldn't go in other two folder because these are my private folders, and so shall we will explore the Windows C folder. So as you can see, um, let's see what we have here. uh, View, large icon, detailed content, expand all groups, and in short we have same as total size, ascending, group by, properties. So let's see what we have in properties option. Let's see, will it, yeah, it goes to same default. Yeah, as the main feature is here. As you can see that whenever I click on this, it's give me an option where I can divide any application in how many parts. So as you can see, I can divide in two parts. I can divide in the ratio also, which can take the bigger portion and the other portion. And another is three sides. Three apps can be played in simultaneously, and another one is four apps can be played simultaneously. So for right now, we are just going with the maximize option. So as you can see that mm, this is my Windows, and I got the last update last night. So basically, it's our product key activations, remote desktop, device manager, BitLocker. As tip, yeah, design is somewhere it's comfortable. I feel some comfort in the design. It's simple. Again, I think soon we will forget Windows 10 because it's somewhere, because as you can see the corner side, it's really static in a curve. So let's see what in we have. So I've connected my device via Bluetooth, and so as usual, your phone, camera, mouse, touchpad, pan, ink, autoplay, USB notification, and then network connect. What we have here, mobile hotspot, and the personalization. So as you can see, there is an option of themes also. When I can convert all the themes like that, it goes into the dark mode, which look cool. As you can see, we will go through each and every aspect of the themes. Just look crisp, right? So next one is this one. Nice. And Microsoft really do some quite good works on wallpapers. So I think I'm gonna be stuck for right now with the default options. So as you can see there, sorry, default one is the middle one. Yeah. So we have backgrounds like pictures from the photos and contrast of the theme, and we can select desert, night sky, contrast, theme of the background, theme pack. Can we download the theme packs? Wow. Yes, I think there is an option to download the theme packs as usual. So it's nice to see that. And as usual, color transparency effect is there. Choose your mode, light or dark. It's always there. Light or dark, custom colors. We can select contrast theme. Nice. And so there we can check that the themes and desktop icon setting also is there. Yeah, same as that usual the all one. Okay, we can set the color sounds as usual. Let's see what else we have here. Touch keypad, lock screen, image. Yeah, we can set the specific lock screen. Yeah, lock screen में क्या क्या आएगा, status and so on. Screen timeout भी है, screen saver भी है. Oh wow, they have given the screen saver option. That is some aesthetic design. Yeah. we are back with the we are back with the design. Oh, nice. Yeah, the bubble ones. Yeah. That is some awesome window based screensaver is there. Yeah, that's good for us. Okay, so 1 minute के बाद ये चलता रहेगा. And yeah, mystify ribbons. I don't know why they bring back this, but I glad they did that. So next we go to the personalization, touch keypad, taskbar, system behavior. Yeah, what can be the icons? Menu pan, touch keypad, virtual key, touchpad, taskbar, corner overflow. What is this? Taskbar over corner flow. So nothing much. I think taskbar behavior automatically hide. As these are some new names for the same old designs. So next we go for with the apps and features, offline map, option features, apps and features. So it is the administrative account which I am showing you right now. So it contains all the I just created for the demo. So basically, yeah, we have all the apps that I've installed previously. So startup apps, as usual we can control which can be started. So they told us they don't have Cortana, but still I can see the Cortana option over here. So that's the local account which I haven't signed it with Microsoft ID. As usual, family, other Windows backup, and usual same typical Windows 10 features. Date and time, language, touch, speech recognition. Let's see what speech recognition does they have. Yeah, they do have a speech. Yeah, recognize non-native ancient for this language. So they do have that also. Uh, Microsoft preview voice.
You have selected Microsoft David as the default voice.
Oh,
You have selected Microsoft David as the default voice.
yeah. ठीक है. So let's see what do we have here. The Xbox Game Bar, and we have a recording preference also. I think yeah, record what happened max length. Wow, they do have that. Yeah, they have given the default recording capability for the gaming to stream. Yeah, that's something nice. Yeah, I think it was there, but it was not in my touch that feature. So accessibility, text size, visual is fact, text cursor, magnifier, color filter, narrator. Yeah, eye control, eye tracker. Ooh. While tapping with eye control, only ES/US is supported. Nice. uh, oh, I think let's see what's it saying, because I can't see the any option to enable it. Okay, I think that need to be some accessories that need to be made available. So as usual, find my device for developer setting, use only developer mode, device discovery, PowerShell turn. Something is there that is not in my touch. So in typing diagnostic activity, search permissions, search Windows location. Yeah, same as usual app permissions. So let's go to Windows update. Let's see. Yeah, so as you it's saying some Windows update is available. Yeah, update preview for Windows 10, Windows 11 selected version. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Adopt. So that's where we went through the things. So let's see uh, what do we have here in the property section. As you can see, it's same as the old one. Free space interface, hardware, sharing. I'll show the mm, feature that is enabled with the Microsoft ID soon. Mm, but at least they need to have something. Yeah, over there they have pinned all the apps like that. It's, the feature is really smooth. I see no much kind of difference over here. So let's see what we have over here. Option. What kind of option is there? Yeah, that's a folder option. So settings. I have to see that settings. No, that is not kind of settings. I have to see some file manager like thing. File manager. No. Administrative tool. Device manager. Sorry, device manager. Let's see how it open that. Yeah, typical oral interface. If I need to go any other places, how can I go? That is some. What? I see Linux. What the hell Linux doing here? Don't know why the hell I see a Linux icon over here. So show more option. There is no much more option. I can't see anything else over here. So typically, let's see what can be else there. Refresh new as usual. Microsoft Excel database display setting. Show more option. Typical back to the home. So let's check something that we were eager to check, like if it is there, like see, I'll put in that mode. Okay, again I'll open the folder and let's see this one design. Yeah, it's taking shape like whatever we wanted. So yeah, it does do that. Like I can run multiple applications simultaneously. Windows. No. This folder doesn't need to be open. Okay, so if I do that, if I do this, open in a new window. Yeah, again there is an option. I'll do that, and music. Yeah, again open in a new window, and it's my. So that is a proof concept that we can run simultaneously 4 applications in the Windows 11. Apart from that, I have to check the confirmation that whether we can run Android application or not. So for that we will shift to different user in which I have registered my Microsoft ID. So from here we will go to